Get-VM is a PowerShell cmdlet that allows you to view and manage Hyper-V virtual machines. This powerful command gives you complete visibility into your virtual infrastructure, making it an essential tool for anyone working with Hyper-V. Get-VM is a PowerShell cmdlet specifically designed to retrieve information about virtual machines running on a Hyper-V host. Think of it as your window into the virtual machine world. It connects to your Hyper-V environment and pulls detailed information about all the virtual machines you have configured. The simplest way to use Get-VM is to just type the command by itself. When you run Get-VM without any parameters, it lists all virtual machines on your local Hyper-V host. This gives you a quick overview of every VM you have, including their names, states, and other key properties. If you want to retrieve information about a specific virtual machine, you can use the -name parameter. For example, get -VM-name followed by the VM name in quotes. Like Windows 11-VM, this returns details about only that particular virtual machine, making it easy to focus on the one you're interested in. PowerShell supports wildcards, which makes searching for virtual machines even more flexible. You can use the asterisk symbol as a wildcard. For example, get-VM-name win asterisk will retrieve all virtual machines whose names start with win. This is incredibly useful when you have multiple VMs with similar naming patterns. You can filter virtual machines based on their current state using the where-object cmdlet. To find all running virtual machines, pipe get-VM to where-object and check if the state property equals running. Similarly, you can find all powered-off virtual machines by checking if state equals off. This helps you quickly identify which VMs are active and which are stopped. Get-VM returns several useful properties for each virtual machine. The name property shows the VM's display name. State tells you the current power state, such as running, off, or paused. CPU usage displays the current CPU utilization percentage. MemoryAssigned shows how much memory has been allocated to the virtual machine. These properties give you a comprehensive snapshot of each VM's status. By default, Get-VM displays many properties, which can be overwhelming. You can use select-object to display only the properties you need. For example, pipe get-VM to select -object, then specify name, state, and CPU usage. This gives you a cleaner, more focused output that's easier to read and analyze.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.